Please select a transaction. Take your card and proceed.
Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, nandito tayo sa harap ng POS machine. Ipapakita ko sa inyo na yung China Trust ATM card natin, hindi lang siya for withdrawals. Pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin as debit card. So, kahit sa department store or outlet na tumatanggap ng card, pwede nyo po siyang ipaswipe. Hindi nyo rin kailangan ng 5,000 won or above na halaga ng ipopurchase para magamit nyo yung card. Actually, kahit less than 5,000 won, or for example, peg won, lang yung halaga ng ipopurchase nyo, pwede nyo po siyang magamit. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng example. Ito yung China Trust ATM card natin, may Visa logo. So, halimbawa, mag-purchase ako ng halagang 100 won lang. Or peg won. Hihingin yung sign nyo. See? Yung card peg 1. So, ito yung proof na yung China Trust ATM card natin, hindi lang siya for withdrawals. Pwede nyo rin siya magamit as debit card. So, wala pong limit ito kahit less than 5,000 won ang halaga ng bibilihin nyo, pwede nyo po siyang magamit. So, happy shopping! It's more fun here in AIM Global. This is Michelle Yu from South Korea.
Sigue